The hall is very silent, just like the topic today. But it's a grave topic, it's a very interesting topic, and I'm so happy that you come in big number, all the decision makers across the industries. Thank you so very much. Well, as my chairman, Mr. R.S.P. Reddy garu told, it's more of a passion, actually, how we have been in a day-to-day. This topic, the safety, we all talk a secondary side. But before that, let me welcome once again Dr. Nagreddy garu, IPS, our chief guest of the day today. Is the Director General of Telangana Fire Disaster Response, Emergency and Civil Defense Department, Government of Telangana. And the young charismatic the bureaucrat, another Chakravarthi, Mr. Nikhil Chakravarthi, IA and EAS, who has taken over a very pivotal key position, the Director of Commissioner of Industries, Government of Telangana, very key to our success for the growth of Telangana industries. And Mr. Rajgopal Garu, the Rajgopal Rao Garu, Director of Factories, which is very pivotal for all of us in this juncture. He is the Director of Factories for the Government of Telangana. And my friends, the Assistant Drug Controller, All India, Dr. Vinay, and the dearest friend and the most influential leader in the pharmaceutical segment these days, the Director General of Pharmaceutical Export Promotion Council India, the most recognized council under the aegis of Ministry of Commerce and Industries, the Government of India, been doing Herculean efforts in raising the exports of India and upkeeping the brand, the pharmacy of world, India. And my colleagues, Mr. Gautam Reddy Garu, the Vice Chairman of Resustainability and also the Vice Chairman on our board, CII Telangana. And most importantly, my dear mentor and mentor of all seasons for the last 50 years, he has been engaged with the industry. He is the past CII Chairman of Southern Region, the Anil Kumar Epura Garu, who has been a mentor for all of us. And my colleague, Mr. Sheikh Samyuddin, Director of the CII Telangana. I'm just looking at if I missed anyone. I hope I have not missed anyone. So, and importantly, and thank you, Mr. Daniel, who has been eyes and ears of this program from the beginning, and the entire CII Secretariat team. And most importantly, my dear friends, the heads of regulatory, heads of operations, heads of the quality, logistics, and whatnot, across all the gamuts of the pharmaceutical and chemical manufacturing today. The most importantly, all the speakers who come from other parts of India also, and also from many, both in formulations and APIs and bulk drugs also, you're all there today. And I really, I can't, I'm finding short of words to thank you. I know how to come out of the operations when you are working in the shop floor, when you are working in the offices of most important, the pharmaceutical sector. But you all felt it is so important. In fact, even before I came, I saw around 60, 70 people already at 9 o'clock, even though the program is at 10. In fact, for your information, we refused registrations for almost 250 people because we contained this for the quality and the connected people, not all the people who are service providers, we are just consultants and other. Due regards to them, because I told them there is another opportunity for all of them also. But today we wanted to have a serious discussions among ourselves on this topic, which is very pertinent. And formally, it is with immense pride and deep sense of responsibility that we introduce the pillars of production, the forging a safe future for pharma and chemical manufacturing conference. And it's happening today. This pivotal event reflects the Confederation of India Industries' unwavering commitment. I already told, when I told about the theme, my chairman has patted my back, and you must go ahead with this kind of initiatives. Thank you very much once again to my chairman and also my board of directors. The advancing the pharmaceutical and chemical manufacturing sectors, key drivers central to India's economic growth and its role in global healthcare. My dear friends, the inspiration for this conference arises from both urgent challenges and emerging opportunities within our industry over recent years. we have seen a growing imperative to address the safety gaps, navigate increasingly stringent regulations, and integrate innovation, all while meeting global demands for secure and sustainable manufacturing, my dear friends. Well, from industrial mishaps to the rapid evolutions of technology, the message is very clear. We must proactively build a safer, more resilient future. Well, my friend, I recall something I learned almost 4 decades ago. Can I tell one instance? I think I started my career almost 4 decades ago, 1984. 1985, that picture what you're seeing in the back, it's a National Safety Day, you're all aware, March 4th. That picture was 1985, March 4th, exactly 40 years ago. And the guy who is taking the award is me. I was so passionate on the safety, and I won all the 3 awards which were there, first prize, essay writing, slogan writing, and also the theme. All the 3 first awards I joined as an electrical engineer at that time in AP Paper Mills in Rajamandri. And next 4 years when I worked there, I became mentor for conducting this program. So when you talk about the safety, unsafe condition and unsafe act, you all are aware. But very simple, unsafe condition is what? A spilled over milk or spilled over water on the floor by a toddler in your house. But in your house, there are senior citizens also living in. And we neglect it without wiping it off. And suddenly somebody steps onto it and slips, and you'll be bedridden for 6 months. That's a simple example of unsafe condition. Look at a manhole which is uncovered. That is a simple unsafe condition. Similarly, unsafe act. Can you believe there are tens of thousands of people are either getting injured or getting their lives lost while texting, while crossing the road or walking on the road. We see regularly. This is unsafe act. Those are simple examples. Anyhow, the industry is a different scenario. But the basic starts from there only. I learned those things, and I recall those memories very fondly. In fact, that was the founding the initiative. I took this initiative with the permission of our chairman. When I am so passionate about this topic, we are talking about a dry topic, but during the day, you're all going to witness the deliberations of the experts also. The accidents happen in industry primarily due to unsafe acts and unsafe conditions. These are the basic things. The simple truth has stayed with me throughout my career and resonates even more today as we navigate complex environments where one lapse can have wide-reaching consequences. Well, my dear friends, this conference aims to bring together thought leaders, innovators, and regulators to not only examine these risks, but also to design proactive solutions. Our focus areas include the safety protocols and risk management in manufacturing, the building resilient systems to protect workers and infrastructure, and then we have innovative technologies for enhanced safety, the showcasing AI-driven monitoring, smarter automation, and predictive maintenance. Well, the regulatory compliance and excellence, we are talking about this afternoon, we are talking about exploring strategies to meet international benchmarks while nurturing culture and accountability. Well, case studies on transforming industry practices as well will be presented. In fact, Dr. Nagareddy Garu is so kind enough to be there, not only deliver his inaugural speech, but also over the coffee break, he is going to present us a very scintillating presentation from his side also. I think we are very grateful to you, sir, on that. So the event will feature expert-led sessions, interactive panels, and forward-looking discussions. It's our collective responsibility to ensure that every manufacturing facility becomes a beacon of protection, where safety, sustainability, and operational excellence go hand in hand. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to our CII Telangana team once again, with special thanks to our chairman whose support gave shape to this initiative. I'm equally grateful to all our speakers, learned speakers, delegates, and partners also for aligning with this shared purpose. The conference souvenir also, which will be there in your hands in a moment, reflects our core values: unite, innovate, safeguard, transform, and features profiles of all our learned contributing experts as well. I invite you to lend your voice also to this noble cause and the critical dialogue in the coming days and help shape an industry where safety is not just a compliance requirement, but a cultural cornerstone. Thank you very much, sir.